These are the ingredients we need. Brew the black coffee with 150 ml hot water. For 5 minutes. Separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Man, look at those skillful moves. Now mix in the 2 teaspoons of condensed milk. And 2 teaspoons of sugar. Beat them up with a milk frother for around 3 minutes. Oh yes, the black coffee is ready to rock. Thank you, my trusty kitchen timer. Now come my favorite part. I'm gonna pour my luscious egg cream on top of the black coffee. Look at the flow right on top. There you have it, our homemade Vietnamese egg coffee. Do give it a try.